Hi friends, my name is Mujahid. Welcome to Mujahid's Dev Journey. In this video, we will be discussing table structures with different data types. We will use an example table of fruits to illustrate how various data types such as numeric, string and other. This table represents information about different fruits. It has four columns: fruit ID, fruit name, color and price. Look here, fruit ID. Fruit ID is a numeric data type, typically used for unique identification numbers. Fruit name is a string data type used to store text or characters. Color is also a string data type used to store color names. Price is a numeric data type used to store prices which can have decimal values. See, using the right data type ensures data accuracy and efficiency in database operations. The values I have taken: fruit ID is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and fruit names like apple, banana, orange, kiwi. The colors I have taken like red, green, yellow, orange. The price is 50, 20, 30, 35. Choosing the right data type for each column in a database table for data accuracy and efficiency. Look some data types examples of the slides.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end.